Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. So guys, previously in our weekly research we have posted this question. So as fundamental part of our research contains the information on attitude of the European Central Bank to the euro appreciation, and on the previous meeting of the European Central Bank there was comments from the bank authorities that gave some hint on possible dovish policy that could follow if euro will continue to become stronger. And the major question that we have asked on our weekly research, we said how far this appreciation of the euro currency could continue until this will be too much for European Central Bank. And looks like the 140 area is an area where stands some border of euro appreciation that's acceptable for Mario Draghi. And we could get the confirmation of that from the yesterday's speech, where that was said that if market will continue to go high in terms of the euro currency, then European Central Bank could apply some dovish policy and decrease the interest rate, because currently it seems as a welcome sign for European Central Bank appreciation of the euro currency. That, as you can see, immediately have impact on the market, and market has turned to the downside. Well guys, I don't want to say that our setup has failed totally, because market hasn't quite reached the target for approximately 15-12 pips till the target of the butterfly, until this ABCD pattern. So this target has been almost hit. Also you can see that market almost has reached the overbought condition, and in general till this moment, and even at the eve of the European Central Bank's speech, you can see that market in general stands bullish, and the price action was really clear, very logical from terms of the normal technical behavior from the market mechanics. But as you can see, we have got the answer from the Mario Draghi about the acceptable quote and rate of the euro currency in relation to US dollar, and looks like that this area stands approximately around 140 area. So currently this could be situation that we have seen in the beginning of the current year, and then at the end of the previous year, that has the relation to the Swiss franc. Recall that Swiss Central Bank has said that it will not allow the appreciation of the Swiss franc above some predefined level, and that has significant impact on the rate of the Swiss franc, where investors starting to stop buying the Swiss franc when the currency is approached to some predefined level. So here we could get the same sort of the action. So as we know that 140 is approximately the area that is, as could say, European Central Bank do not want to see the appreciation above this area. That could play in the favor of the bears in the nearest short-term perspective. That's why I think that market has all chances to shift the medium-term sentiment to the downside. And I already see the signs of this moment. We will discuss this with the more details in our weekly research tomorrow, because I see the signs of this as on the daily time frame chart, as on the weekly time frame chart. There's some significant patterns could be formed today and tomorrow that could force market to move lower in the nearest term perspective. Well, here guys, we have significant wash and rinse of the previous top, so you can see market has grabbed the stops and turned to the downside. Also guys, this trading session is so-called reversal day, because if we even will not take into consideration this minor trading session, take a look what has happened. Market open here, move above the high of the previous trading session and close below the low of the previous trading session. So that is the reversal day. And reversal day very often, and even would say as a rule, has the tendency to continue move lower because this is really fast action. So meantime, since today Friday, and I'm not sure that we will get really significant action, because tomorrow and yesterday is the very great day in global history, is the victory celebration of the victory over nothing, and this day is a major holiday in the Europe and the United States, in Russia especially. So that's why maybe the trading activity today will be not as significant as it could be. Besides, after such sort of the reversal, market need to take some pause and to accommodate to the recent event, so recent news. It need to understand them and analyze them. That's why probably the major action will start on the next week, and during the weekend we will take a look at the euro currency. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see this reversal market. Take a look that market has tested the monthly pivot resistance one, turned downside, now stands below the weekly pivot point, stands at our confidence support. I do not have the precise levels right here, just to keep the chart clear. But if you will take a look at the yesterday's chart that we have discussed yesterday on the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that this is the confidence support 138, 39, 138, 44 area. And this support contains the major 3-8 level from the daily swing, from that low to this high. That is 3-8 major support. Okay, and also this is an area between the weekly and monthly pivot points. So until currently, market still holds above the monthly pivot point, and that's a significant moment. So we will see what will happen on the next week. On the hourly time frame chart, the only pattern that could be formed here maybe will happen, but I'm not very sure. This could be the double repo buy, because you can see market close above, close below, and because trying to continue move lower. Now it makes an attempt to failure this downward continuation and starting to move high. Well, in general, this is not perfect shape of the double repo, but that's the only pattern that I see right now, although it's not very clear and not very perfect. It's a bit maybe it even will be better to call it as the double repo look-alike. But if market will confirm that, market theoretically could trigger a retracement up. That's possible, but guys, I'm not sure that is very reliable pattern. Just to show you what we could recognize right now on the markets, but it's not necessarily the very good setup for trading. So as I said, I think that Friday, today's trading session, will be the session of the analysis by the market participants, their recent statements, and to reassess the overall situation on the forex market, especially on the euro currency. And the major action we will see probably on the next week. So let's see how market will close today, and we definitely will discuss the euro currency during the weekend.